Hey guys, happy Sunday. It is prep for the weekday. But I wanted to discuss very briefly, because these videos are very brief, on why asking questions in your Facebook group are just as valuable as your superpower content is. So when I refer to your superpower content, that is whatever your service or product that you provide. For me, it's teaching Facebook groups. For you, it could be fitness. For you, it could be money management. It could be brain and gut health. It could be essential oils, right? That is your superpower. What we are most concerned about in our free Facebook communities is giving away too much of our superpower, right? Why would we give away too much superpower if they could buy it from us? Here's why asking questions is just as valuable as your superpowers, and why that connects your members to your superpower. Okay, so give you an example. I asked a question in my free community. Hey guys, who wants to know what the most common struggle is with their Facebook group? I'd be happy to share with you. Okay? That is just as valuable of a post in your Facebook group as you saying, hey guys, here's how to add more people to your Facebook group. And here's why it's better than adding that content or sharing your superpower content. Because what it does is it puts a me too experience in your group. Your members will say, hey guys, me too. I want to know this because I want to feel like I'm not alone, right? So when you're creating engagement posts, or you're just creating posts in your Facebook groups, you want to ensure that you're creating me too experiences. By creating me too experiences, you're allowing your members to show up often, to show up together, to show up and encourage each other. That's what a community is all about. A community is not a place for you to share your content. Okay? So it's very easy. It's a no-brainer. I have to laugh because Amber is messaging me right now. It's a no-brainer, and that's her program. It's a no-brainer because you're sharing free content. You're sharing an experience. You're sharing a story. You're sharing an experience with your community so that you are creating that know, like, and trust factor. And then you are able to, hi, Miss Heather. Then you're able to connect them to your product. All right. So that's my quick little espresso tip. It's a question that people want to know but won't ask. Right. And that's okay, because what most people's problem is in their Facebook group, or they think their problem is why are people asking the questions, right? People are not asking the questions in your Facebook group because they're afraid to. So why not allow you as the leader of the group to ask the question? It is just as valuable. So I'm so glad that Marcia, you said that, because it allows a conversation to occur. Okay, we forget that. We assume that they're there for content. They're there for our free content, but really they're there for an experience. So I hope that that's helpful, which I'm so glad again that Marcia chimed in. And that's it. Tell me how you allow a Me Too experience in your group. I want to hear. All right, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.